Introducing Auron, the self-cleaning water bottle that purifies your water in seconds. With Auron, you can carry pure water with you wherever you go, whether it comes from the faucet, fountain, mountain, or river. So, how does it work? Auron uses UVC technology to clean itself and purify your water. The 280 nanometer UV light is designed to naturally eliminate 99.9% of bacteria and contaminants in just 60 seconds. UVC cleansing is so effective that the same technology is used by hospitals around the world for sterilization. To purify your water, just fill the bottle, close the lid, and touch the button. In just 60 seconds, your water will be free from bacteria, viruses, parasites, molds, and allergens that can make you sick. Now that's pure water. Take it with you anywhere. Auron is light, spill-proof, and sweat-proof. Carry it around in your bag all day without the risk of your electronics getting wet. Auron is ultra-tough and super insulated. It's made from corrosion-resistant and rust-proof 304 steel. Did we mention Auron is for more than just water? Auron is compatible with any beverage. Its double-walled design and vacuum insulation keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12. With Auron's rechargeable smart cap, you can check the temperature of your drink anytime with its built-in temperature display. Having trouble staying hydrated? Auron can be your personal hydration assistant with reminders to keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. Auron can remind you to hydrate yourself when you're caught in the middle of the hustle and bustle of work without drinking any water. When it's time to do the washing, Auron's extra wide opening makes it simple to clean without brushes, squeegees, and cramped hands.
Powerful, and instant. Crafted with quality and the idea of protecting your special ones. Nowadays, people are better aware of the harm germs can cause to our health. People realize the importance of disinfecting items we touch and use every day. And to secure ourselves and our beloved ones during the invisible encounters, we created Sterly, a powerful and portable UVC torch, designed to be an all-in-one solution for your everyday needs. Whatever you do, Sterly is here to help and make sure you are safe. How does it work? With UVC, a special UV light that is invisible to the naked eye, but is deadly to microorganisms. Compacted with 60 milliwatt LED, you only need 5 to 10 seconds to disinfect 99.9% of microbes.
This is SLING, a premium wax cotton carry strap for your helmet. As motorcyclists, we have limited options for what to do with our helmets after a ride. Do we leave them on our handlebars, stash them in a top box, or just carry them around in our hands? SLING is here to offer a better option, to keep your helmet safe with you, but to carry it hands-free. Made from an adjustable length wet wax cotton, just like a bell staff or barber jacket, SLING features a metal quick-release buckle that can be easily fitted to any style of helmet by passing it through the chin bar or chin strap in seconds. There's a protective padded tongue to stop the buckle scratching your helmet, as well as a padded sliding shoulder strap for maximum comfort. Both pads feature diamond stitching, are made from 16-ounce wax cotton and have a black corduroy backing for that premium finish. Available from launch in 4 classic colours to suit any style. Choose from black, brown, navy and olive. SLING has been made by motorcyclists for motorcyclists. Ideal for carrying your own helmet or safely transporting your passengers. In an industry where you can spend hundreds, if not thousands, on the best helmet, why risk dropping it when it's not safely strapped to your head? Say goodbye to carrying your helmet one-handed and say hello to style, comfort and hands-free living. Say hello to SLING and support the campaign today.